God has for you and me. Oh.
Don't settle for less. Pursue it all the more. For with unity in reality, you experience God's open door. The vision of God,
good and pleasant it is.
the vision of God,
God's divine holy will,
the vision of God,
the unity of truth.
it's the vision of God.
For me and you,
The theme rings from heaven. God commands unity to earth. It's the oil of all creation that God supplies to his nation.
Challenging though it may be, it's heaven's will for you and me.
How good and
Pleasant it is,
for in unity we are his.
the vision of God,
Good and pleasant it is.
the vision of God,
God's divine holy will,
the vision of God,
the unity of truth.
it's the vision of God.
For me and you, David knew the joy in unity as he was chosen to be king. David knew about rejection, and yet God made him the exception.
So from the pasture to be anointed as a witness of God's appointment,
That his heart was attuned to God, and God would use David for Israel's good.
the vision of God,
Good and pleasant it is.
the vision of God,
God's divine holy will,
the vision of God,
the unity of truth.
it's the vision of God.
For me and you, behold, speaks beyond right now. It speaks of what is to come. Do not be discouraged, for God has more for you to see.
Behold, there is greater ahead. Keep your focus on things to come.
Don't get weary in well-doing, for unity will see vision come true.
The vision of God,
Good and pleasant it is.
the vision of God,
God's divine holy will,
the vision of God,
the unity of truth.
it's the vision of God.
For me and you, behold, Moses saw a bush burning, but it was more than the bush. Abraham saw a ram in the thicket, but it was more than the ram.
John the Baptist saw a man walking, but he was more than a man.
Behold, you see, it's your sight, but unity will reveal God's inside.
Behold,
This is unity,
unity,
unity.
God.
God desires to see
Oh, behold,
unity for you and me.
God's plan for humanity.
Oh,
Behold,
this is unity,
unity,
unity. God desires to see
oh, behold,
unity for you and me.
God's plan for humanity.
Oh,
The vision of God,
good and pleasant it is.
the vision of God,
God's divine holy will,
the vision of God,
the unity of truth.
it's the vision of God,
For me and you,
the vision of God,
good and pleasant it is.
the vision of God,
God's divine holy will,
the vision of God,
the unity of truth.
it's the vision of God.
For me and you,
Behold, God's day,
let him have his way.
God's day,
Ooh, behold,
God's day,
let him have his way.
God's day,
Live in unity,
unity,
for God to see. Unity,
unity,
for God to see. Unity. For God to see. It's God's unity. It's God's unity. It's God's unity.